Director of Horticulture and Soil Conservation K. Dev Datta emphasized the crucial role played by journalists in disseminating information about organic farming and its benefits to farmers and the general public. The director was stated during the inaugural program of the two-day media sensitization program about horticulture scheme as a part of the Golden Jubilee celebration of all Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU held at Loktak Hall of Manipur Press Club today. Speaking on the occasion, K. Dev Datta highlighted the inception of Manipur Organic Mission Agency, in short MOMA, in 2016, noting that initially there were only 385 registered organic farmers. However, the number has since surged to 37,900 farmers, with an additional 5,500 expected to register shortly. MOMA aims to enlist over 50,000 farmers and promote organic product cultivation across the state. Underlining the importance of organic farming techniques, Dev Datta explained that crop cultivation area requires careful attention for 3 years. He stressed the necessity of forming farmer clusters to facilitate organic farming initiatives effectively. Addressing concerns about food quality, he raised awareness about high steroid content found in fish imported from Andhra Pradesh, potentially leading to various health issues. He also cautioned against the presence of steroids in chicken, eggs and animal feed. Dev Datta proposed implementation of good agriculture practices and short GAP gap in the state to ensure production of quality food in the valley region.
Good agricultural practice. Masi good agricultural practices gap organic farming dona chemical amata yaba. Sisunata. Chemical pura hapaga act gyan dalagai koi mi sokadra environment sokadra ising da amot pa kai janjan gadra contaminate tokadra haibu wakan ga se lairganda conventional farming bi practice to usunata marak talaiba practice. Good agriculture practice da permissible dose da chemical sinaba yai akhanana chemical khra magi akhoi maruina crop ama tha matamda farmer singdu kamaina Makogi livelihood to, Natramogi living to, one side of food to, Kaisai Gaida, Adayo, Mount Palm Lever, single lever single, Mogi health insurance, your broadcast. So my dona, Neomnity, Krak Haidoga, Higher Gap City, Makar, Puto, production. Sida certified or production city, Prithvi Pumada, low in the